welcome back to my channel. So if you don't subscribe me, subscribe my channel. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make watermark on photo that you shoot. So you have to download one app. So let me teach you how.
We're gonna start how to make watermark on photo. Just give you a simple of my photo. So I'm gonna teach you how to make it. So like my own, so like this one, how to make this watermark. So today I'm gonna teach you. So you need to download this app. So this one, shoot on app. So okay, as you can see, there are many types of watermark. As you can see, this one are for Google Pixel, this one Huawei. So because of my phone is Asus, so I'm gonna use this one so as a default. So for example, I'm gonna make this video, so this photo. So I'm gonna edit it, so click done. So as you can see down here, if watermark, so you also can change the logo. So as mine, so I can change the logo. So already you can add on the logo. So I'm gonna use you can see this ROG gaming. So this text also you can edit, as you can see. So I'm gonna change text. So you can choose also shoot by Eliden. Okay, as you can see down here, limitless dual camera shoot by Eliden. So as you can see here, because there are a lot of setting you can use also. Okay, now you also can choose which right angle you want. You can choose middle, you can see center now, and mostly this is default. So I'm gonna use the bottom. So you can see right now. So now sorry for, because I'm using a screen recorder now. So you also can log on shot on. So there are many type of brands. So which type of your smartphone, because I'm using Asus Zenfone Max 4. So just this app, guys. So you can see right down here, I already have a watermark that using Asus. So for example, you also can use like Apple. Also can you can see Apple, change logo again. So like Huawei. So looks nice, guys. So you can change a lot of logo lah. Like I have my photo. You can see like. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, because I a lot of video. So that's all from me. So don't forget, this apps also have a premium, because I'm using a premium one. So have a free. You can also download at Play Store. This one, like shoot on. Okay, this one also can use this one, shoot on free. Okay. You can download it on Play Store. So you download it, you can see as mine. Shoot on photo. So that's all from me. So you can see, change edit. So thanks for watching video. So
Thank you so much. And if you like my video, so subscribe my channel and don't forget to give like. So thank you so much. So have a nice day. Bye.